Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Kaipov and today we'll talk about Harmless internet. In our world, internet occupies a very big place, and it is very good thing. But internet has a bad part, and about this bad part, I will tell. We can share internet on two parts, and it is useful and bad. Next, it is diagram how many students surf internet every day, and 90% surf internet every day, and only 10% not every day. And now you understand what the concept is then. It is a bad thing. Just 5 types, and now I will review in detail. First, it is a trail select, and A is a service companion. Many students only use it, but I think it is very dangerous because you don't know driver. Maybe he is a bad driver, and he doesn't work on any company. And in the case, he doesn't have their responsibility for your life. B is a personal injury. You don't call the names on the internet other people who you don't know, because they can be a very aggressive. C is a visiting extremist websites. On the internet, be such websites who will crash your head. And if you not said everything straight, you must escape this website. First, it is a personal data. It is password, credit card details, and passport details. You must lose these details because if you lose, this can be used against you. For example, it is stealing. And stealing in the internet, it is phishing. For example, you log in Facebook and you must see all this line, because can be really other website. And if you enter your password, and people who visit that website know your password. For example, only one letter can be incorrect, and it is really other website. For example, if Facebook, but we know that it is a Facebook. Next, it is a viruses. Viruses, it is something who crash your computer for one idiot. And from this, only 2 medicine. Who now, what is it? Hands up. Yes, you.
It's a virus.
And second, who now? Okay, it is you must buy a new computer. We know that we choose the antiviruses, and it is a rating of antiviruses. And for first place, it is ours. I use a Dr. Web, and I'm very fine. I think it is really good antivirus too, because I use it a long time and never met the viruses. Next problem and principal problem, it is waste of time. Very many people similar on this picture, because they surf internet every day and spend on it very much time. And it is diagram how many people, how much time is on the internet. And 50% surf internet 2 hours, 25% 3 hours, 4% 40 hours, and 5% 20 hours. We know that we will spend very much time. And in conclusion, I want to say that if we use useful quantities from the internet, will be okay. Thank you for your attention.